So today I'm sort of feeling to talk about the importance of making food with love. And I think you probably know I'm not just talking about some fandangle fancy kind of words. I'm talking about the fact that everything is made of energy. And when we make food, our state of consciousness, how we are feeling at the time, infuses into that food. And so basically, if we're feeling negative energy, we're feeling down and depressed, we are going to infuse that energy into our food. If we're feeling light and vibrant, then we're going to infuse that, which is better, into our food. But what do we do if we're going through challenges and a load of crazy shit, or feeling depressed, and we want to make food, but we want to make it from a place of presence, and we do not want to infuse that food with our energy? Okay, well, this has been a really profound part of my journey because, believe it or not, I have not escaped challenges, and I've had quite a lot of crazy shit to deal with in my life. For whatever reasons, I've had trauma, just like probably pretty much most of us. And, and I felt down, I felt anxious, I felt all kinds of stuff. But the thing is, my food always has an infusion of beautiful and loving energy in it. So how do I do that when I have got kind of, crazy shit going on in my life, or challenges going on in my life? So I made a commitment quite early on in my conscious kitchen journey that whenever I make food, because I'm aware that our energy infuses into that food, no matter what is going on in my life, I would stop and I would pause and I'd find a place of presence. Now, it wasn't necessarily super easy to start with. It's kind of basically like a meditation where we just let go. And it's like not saying that, oh, I banish my crazy shit from my life. It's just letting it be. It's accepting it. It's owning the fact that, yes, we're feeling down. Yes, we're feeling challenged. Yes, we're not feeling very good at all. Or we've got kind of stuff coming up. Maybe we've got stuff coming up from our childhood. Maybe it could be a myriad of different things. But for me, I made a commitment to whatever was going on, to find a place of presence. So before I start making food, I'd just close my eyes, let go. I'd accept, okay, so I can feel this and I feel that, and it's whatever it is, but that is not going to infuse into my food right now. What I'm going to find is just a place of peace and calm. I'm just going to close my eyes until I find that light inside of myself. Then I'm going to come from that place. So it meant that it's been a profound catalyst on my own personal spiritual journey, because it means that whenever I prepare food, my commitment is to always come from that place. I think some people call it mindfulness, although I don't really personally relate to that word mindful, because I'm actually feeling like my mind isn't full, it's kind of empty when I'm making food. I'm basically standing out of the way and just connecting with my place inside of light, with my place of pure presence. Then that means I'm connecting with the divine. I'm connecting with the all it is. I'm allowing the divine to flow through me. I'm allowing the divine to infuse itself into the food. So I actually really believe that has been quite an important and profound part of my journey, especially when I've gone through challenges. It's how I found my way through, just that commitment. So, it's actually now my goal to apply that to every aspect of my life. But for now, I can do it in the kitchen, and that it means my food tastes really good and it has a really beautiful, vibrant energy to it. And yeah, just wanted to share that with you. The importance of making food with love, and that not only does it make it taste good, it can actually help you in quite a profound way in your life.